Hi students, electric current, 10th class physics. So most important question for 4 marks or 8 marks for both states, Telangana and AP. Derive the equation or derive the formula R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But in textbook this question may be as deduce the expression for equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in series. So when the resistors are connected in series, we want to derive the formula for total resistance or equivalent resistance or resultant resistance. R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So clear information students with the answer. Let three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series to a battery of potential difference V as shown in the figure, as shown in the figure. So now we must draw the figure in the form of circuit students. For example, it is a resistor, first one. It is a resistor, second one. It is a resistor, third one. So now what is the series combination of resistors? You know it is a terminal 1, terminal 2. First end, second end. First end, second end. First end, second end. Second end of first resistor is connected to first end of second one. Second of second one is connected to third of first one. Then they are said to be in series. Its resistance R1, R2, R3. And these are connected to a battery of potential difference V. This is the circuit students. We must draw this. So now current flowing through this is I, here I, and this is. So we know that when the resistors are connected, in series throughout the circuit, same current flows. That is I is constant. That is I is constant. When the resistors are connected in series throughout the circuit, same current flows. That is through the resistor R1, R2, R3. When the resistors are connected in series. For example, the potential difference in the circuit, that is potential difference of this one is V is 9 volts. Now this potential difference at R1 as a V1, when you measure using a voltmeter, it shows as a 3 volts. If you measure the potential difference at R2, it shows as V2 also 3 volts. If you measure the potential difference between the ends of R3, it also shows as a 3 volts. So total potential difference in the circuit of the battery is 9 volts. So this 9 volts is a splitting as a 3 volts, 3 volts, 3 volts across R1, R2, R3. It means that V is a V1 plus V2 plus V3. This happens only in series. So when the resistors are connected in series, the potential difference of the cell splits in equal amounts across R1, R2, R3. That is why, so its potential difference V, here V1, V2, V3. Sum of these three equal to V. That is why V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this statement we want to write, students, now. Yes, we know that when the resistors are connected, in series, the potential difference of the circuit is given as V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. It is equation 1. Now let the potential difference across the resistor R1 is V1. Potential difference across the resistor R1 is V1. This implies V1 is given as IR1. It is written from Ohm's law, students. From Ohm's law. We know that Ohm's law V is equals to IR. So V means here V1. Potential difference at R1 is V1. Current across the R1 is I. R means R1. So first resistor resistance is R1. Similarly, the potential difference across R2 is V2. From Ohm's law, this can be written as V2 is IR2. It is equation number 2. It is equation number 3. The potential difference across R3 is V3. This implies V3 is equals to IR3. Equation number 4. Now substitute equation number 2, 3 in 4. Substitute equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4 in 1. So this implies V is equals to V1 means IR1, V2 means IR2, V3 means IR3. This implies V is equals to, in all you can see, students, I is the common quantity. So I is separated as a common quantity, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is equation number 5. Now, three resistors are replaced with a single resistor having a resistance equal to these three. So, let three resistors are replaced. Let three resistors are replaced with a single resistor having resistance equal to the resistances of three resistors in series as shown in the figure. So what is it mean? Let the three resistors having resistance R1 R2 are replaced with a single resistor having a resistance capital R equal to resistance of three resistors in series as shown in the figure. Three resistors are replaced with a single resistor. Now we want to draw the circuit. So like that, it is a single resistor. Its resistance is R, potential difference V, current is I. Like that. So this circuit must be drawn under this point, students. So now from the Ohm's law, the potential difference in the above circuit is V is equals to IR. This is equation number 6. So its potential difference V, current is I, resistance R. From Ohm's law for that circuit, so from Ohm's law, the potential difference in the above circuit is V is equals to IR. Now substitute equation number 6. Substitute equation number 6 in equation number 5. So in the place of V, students, in the place of V we can write IR. Here, students, we can write IR is equals to I of R1 plus R2 plus R3. I get cancelled. Then R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is a formula for resultant resistance when the resistors are connected in series. So R is the equivalent resistance, R resultant resistance or total resistance, which is equal to sum of individual resistances. So this R is also greater than R1, greater than R2, greater than R3, because their summation is equal to R means R is greater than every one of these three. So when the resistors are connected in series, total resistance increases. This is, students, most important for 4 marks and 8 marks in AP and 4 marks in Telangana 10th class syllabus. So in the previous video we explained expression for the resistors, total resistance of the resistors connected in parallel. So that's all today's class.